My name is David. This is a CoSpaces Edu tutorial, and this will demonstrate how to make a character do an animation. Step 1. Press Library at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Choose a person from character, then drag it to where you want to place it. Step 3. Tap Library again to go out of it. Step 4. Double tap your character. Step 5. Press Animation. Step 7. You can choose either reactions, postures, or actions. Step 8. I chose actions. The next step you have to do is to choose what you want your character to do. After you chose what you want your character to do, press X, then tap your screen. Press play on the top right of your screen to see your character do an animation. This is my character doing an animation.